at this question. Find integral of these functions. So this is our power 2, this is power 2. And what we do here is to use the trig identity. Don't forget that cos²x is equal to 1 minus what? 2 sin²x. Okay, from there we can make this one the subjects, and that will be equal to what? 2 sin²x equal to what? 1 minus cos²x. So with that now, sin²x is what? Is 1 over 2 of this expression. So then let's do for this one also. At the same time also, we also know that cos²x is equal to what? 2 cos²x minus 1. Move this minus 1 to the other side. So we have 1 plus what? cos²x. And then divided by 2. That's 1 over 2. The bracket this expression equals what? cos²x. So then we can now go back to our question. Our question will now become this one. We have expression for that, which is what? Okay. And then the other one, so dx. So that's what we have for this case. And the reason for these trig identity is that there is no direct table for this. The only approach for this question is to use a trig identity. Okay? So we can bring this 4. These are half. This half, that's 1 over 4. We can take it outside. That's 1 over 4 into brackets. Then expand this one times this one. That's a difference of 2 squared. So that will be what? 1 minus cos²2x. Okay? So that's what we have now. Then we can do something here also. We can also say we can use this identity. Cos²x is equal to 2 cos²2x minus what? Minus 1. So this is a half angle, okay? Okay, that's what we are using. Then you can make this one the subjects, and that will be equal to what? 1 plus cos²x over 2 equals what? cos²2x. So I can go back here and substitute for this. So I will now have 1 over 4, open your brackets, 1 minus, and this will be equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so if you do your LCM, so that will be okay. So we can now substitute back into the integral. So this will give me 1 over 8, 2 minus 1, that's 1 minus what? Cos²x. So we now have 1 over 8, integrate to 1 with respect to this function. So that's what? That's x. If you integrate cos, that will give you sine of the function, then over 4. You need the derivative of this inner function, plus what? Plus c. Can you open the brackets now if you want to? You can stop here, okay? Or you go further, this one times this one, that's x over 8, then minus what? Minus 1 over 32, that's 32, sine what? Sine 4x plus c. So that's that on this question. At this point, kindly click on the watermarks on the video, click on like button, and begin to type your comments. Okay. Finally, begin to share the links of this video on all your platforms. Make this video go viral. Thank you for doing that.